Hey everyone, welcome to a truly monumental episode of Apparel Academy. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Henry Ma. I'm the CEO of Ricoma, and today we're not just talking about any product launch. We're actually going to be unveiling something that's going to change Ricoma as you know it. We're going to be stepping into a whole new frontier with our biggest venture yet, the craft industry. And to kick things off, we're going to be launching the brand new Creator 10-needle embroidery machine designed specifically for you passionate crafters out there. Now, for years, Ricoma has been at the forefront of providing world-class solutions for apparel decoration businesses, empowering entrepreneurs and business owners alike to succeed with our equipment. But now we're expanding that mission. Ricoma is here to serve the booming craft industry. And trust me, this is only the beginning. Today marks the official launch of Ricoma Crafts, a brand new business segment within Ricoma that's dedicated to serving crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists. Visitors to our Ricoma.com website will now see a dedicated section for Ricoma Crafts products, such as the Creator 10-needle embroidery machine, the vinyl cutters, and our own line of Wonder Vinyl. There will also be other products for crafters that want to do printing, such as the Luminaris 200 white toner DTF printer. This brand new crafts business segment will be able to showcase different products, tutorials, and resources specifically tailored to the crafting community. We're so excited to be able to show you what can be achieved through the crafting equipment and supplies that we have in this segment. So why are we launching a whole new craft segment here at Ricoma? Well, after listening to feedback and observing the overall market, I believe that the crafting segment is truly underserved. There's a major gap when it comes to the crafting industry, and that's support. Many crafters currently rely on a network of dealers to be able to purchase equipment, receive training, and get support. In fact, some crafters even have to purchase these equipment from large retailers like Walmart, where you don't get any support other than online videos. You see, here's the issue. If you run into a problem with your machine, need some basic maintenance guidance, or even some simple troubleshooting, many crafters and hobbyists are left relying on their dealers that they purchased the equipment from, or worse, left to fend for themselves and figure it out on their own. In some cases, this would mean that you have to take the machine back to where you bought it from in order to get it serviced. And that is not an experience that we would want for our customers. Here at Ricoma, we are the manufacturer. And being the manufacturer, we've built an incredible support system for our business segment customers over the years. And now we're looking to bring that same level of top-notch service directly to crafters. No middleman needed. When you buy directly from Ricoma Crafts, you'll get direct access to our in-house team for support, training, and ongoing maintenance, just like our business segment customers. You won't have to wait around and rely on third-party dealers or have to figure it out on your own. And although we're new to the craft space, we're not new to making innovative solutions for apparel decoration. We have the network, the manufacturing power, and the dedicated support system to be able to provide crafters with the best equipment and support possible. And since we do our own research and development, we can offer new features and upgrades without having to wait around 5 years for a new model. If you need a new feature, we hear you and are ready to innovate to meet your needs. We're thrilled to become a part of the craft community and give crafters the direct access to support and innovation that they've been missing. So to kick off this brand new exciting chapter, we're launching our new Creator 10-needle embroidery machine, designed specifically for crafters and hobbyists looking to take their projects to the next level. We've made some major upgrades to this machine that we're excited to bring to you now. So what makes this machine unique and perfect for the craft segment? Unlike many other multi-needle embroidery machines designed for large-scale production, the Creator 10-needle embroidery machine is designed with crafters and hobbyists in mind. It combines advanced features with intuitive, user-friendly interface on a fully responsive touchscreen that's perfect for DIY projects and hobbyists. Second, this machine is compact and versatile. The Creator delivers stunning professional quality results in a compact, space-saving design that's ideal for at-home studios. Its 10 needles allow for more color options in a single run, increasing efficiency without taking up too much space. The third thing that makes this machine unique is its affordable innovation. With a price point designed for the craft market, the Creator perfectly balances professional-grade quality with affordability. It's one of the most cost-effective multi-needle embroidery machines out there that has top-tier features. Lastly, speaking of advanced features, the Creator 10-needle embroidery machine comes with high stitch speeds, automatic color change and automatic thread trimming, as well as a fully responsive 10-inch touchscreen panel for ease of use. Plus, it comes equipped with a variety of fonts, patterns, and designs already in the machine, making it very versatile for different types of projects. Now let's compare the Creator with other multi-needle craft embroidery machines out there on the market to see how the Creator stands out. All right, first and foremost, some of the other prominent multi-needle craft embroidery machines out there include the Janome 7-needle machine, the Brother 10 and 6-needle machines, and the Baby Lock 10 and 6-needle machines. So right off the bat, you can see that other multi-needle craft machines out there will have 6 or 7 needles and some have 10 needles, and the Creator is right at the top of that range with its 10-needle build. Next, one of the things that crafters care about a lot is what type of projects that you're able to embroider with their multi-needle machine, and embroidery area certainly plays a factor. With the Creator 10-needle embroidery machine, it has the largest embroidery area by far versus any other multi-needle craft machines out there. The Creator boasts a maximum embroidery area of 15 by 8.3 inches versus the 14 by 8 inches of the Brother 10-needle machine. And for the smaller 6-needle embroidery machines, they're typically at a maximum embroidery area of 12 by 8 inches and below. The Creator also has a built-in laser so that you can see where your needle position is at all times. This is very similar to the other 10-needle machines out there, but the 6-needle machines on the market don't have this feature. Next, what I really think makes the Creator stand out is the package that it comes with to give you all the tools that you need to be able to do your projects. For example, the Creator comes with 5 hoops of different sizes versus other comparable machines that have only 4 or 3. More hoops means more variety of projects you're able to embroider on, given the different types of designs that you can do. Also, what's really cool about the Creator package is that it comes with cap attachment and cap hoops. For these other 6, 7, and 10 needle machines on the market, they typically don't come with cap attachments to be able to embroider hats, and you have to buy that separately, which can cost you upwards of $1,000 to $1,500. Not only do we give you cap hoops to be able to embroider on caps, we give you 2 of them so that you can embroider one and set up another one for your next project. The last thing I want to highlight is something that I mentioned before about the underserved craft market in terms of support. For the 10 needle Creator package, we do offer lifetime training and technical support. Versus some of these other machines on the market, you either have to buy the training separately or you have to go to the dealer in person to get trained. Here at Ricoma, we can offer flexible training options either online or you can come to our office either in California or here in our headquarters in Miami, Florida to get trained. And finally, you might think that with all of these features and the surrounding support and ecosystem, the Creator will cost an arm and a leg. Well, that's where you're probably going to be most surprised. For this launch, our 10 needle Creator embroidery machine package will be priced at $9,999, right under the $10,000 mark, versus some of these other 6 and 10 needle machines that cost way more. For example, the Janome 7 needle machine costs the same, but you only get 7 needles instead of 10 and a much smaller embroidery area. For the Brother 6 needle machine, I've heard anywhere between $12,000 to $15,000 that various dealers will sell it at, which is way more than what the Creator's launch pricing is at, and you get 4 less needles. If you wanted a more comparable machine in terms of a 10 needle embroidery machine, the Brother 10 needle or the Baby Lock 10 needle machine will range between $18,000 to $22,000, essentially more than double the price of a Creator 10 needle. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an overview and breakdown and comparison between our 10 needle Creator embroidery machine versus other comparable models on the market. And as we move through the rest of this year and into the next, we're looking to expand more and more products in this craft segment. We have some very exciting products for this segment coming up very shortly. I can't give too much details yet, but just know that either on the embroidery side or on the printing side, we're looking to create more solutions for the craft sector. Now, for those of you that run full-time businesses in the apparel decoration industry, don't worry. We're still fully committed to providing business solutions for business owners in this industry. We will continue to innovate and provide top-notch support for business owners that are looking to scale their business with our products. That has always been our bread and butter and has always been what we've focused on for the last 25 plus years, and that's never going away. We're simply expanding our reach to wanting to serve the craft segment just as much. So the Creator 10-needle embroidery machine is set to disrupt the crafting industry, and we can't wait to have you get your hands on it. If you're interested to learn more about that particular package, make sure to inquire by filling out a form either in the card above or down in the links below and speak with a product specialist. I would really encourage you to check out our new Ricoma.com website with this brand new craft segment and check out the products and tutorials that we have on there. Also, don't forget to check out our Ricoma Crafts YouTube channel, which focuses on all things crafting related, and we'll be doing more videos on there using the new Creator embroidery machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with new videos as soon as they come out. All right, that's it for us for today, guys. I'm so excited to share this exciting news with you. Hopefully, you're just as excited as well. Comment down below what you think about the Creator machine, and I look forward to expanding our reach in the crafting industry along with you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.